Hello everyone. Today we learn about the differences between the two main comparison operators in JavaScript, the double equals operator and the triple equals operator, and explain which one to use and why. Let's get a deeper understanding on the differences between the double equals operator and the triple equals operator. The double equals operator converts the variable values to the same type before performing any comparison. This is called type coercion. The triple equals operator does not do any type conversion and will only return true if both values and types are identical for the two variables being compared. The double equals operator is known as the equality or abstract comparison operator because it checks the equality of two operands without considering their type. Let's take a look at a practical example. Now we all know that 1 double equal 1 will always equal true. But what if we were to take the second operand and turn it into a string? We all know that it's supposed to equal false, as one of the operands is a number and the other is a string. But it will still equal true because the double equal operator performs type coercion, which basically means it automatically converts the data types to be the same. The triple equals operator is known as the identity or strict comparison operator because it compares the equality of two operands with both their types and their values. Let's take a look at a practical example. Let's take a look at this example again, where we were comparing the numbers 1 to each other. 1 triple equal 1, as you know again, will always equal true, because 1 is equal to 1. However, if we were to change the last operand to a string, we know that it's supposed to be false because again, the one operand is a number and the other operand is a string. If you remember from the last example, when we were using the double equal operator, it was true. However, in this example, we have used the triple equal operator and it has given us the correct answer, which is false, because as you know, a number and a string cannot equate, and the reason for this is because there is no type coercion taking place when we use the triple equal operator. The suggested operator is the triple equal operator, and the reason for this is because the triple equal operator ensures that not only the values are equal, but the two items being compared are of the same type too. Whereas with the double equal operator, it only checks that the values of the two items are equal because it performs type coercion. Now, which one do you use? Let's find out. So let's take a look at an example. Console.log, go 1 double equals 1. As you know, this will equal true. Go 1 double equal 1 string 1. So we're just going to copy this first line and change this double equals into a triple equal on the second line. And you will see that in the console, the first output equals true, but in the second output, it equals false, which is correct. Let's take a look at another example. Let's log 0 double equals an empty string. This should be false, as an empty string does not equal 0. However, because we're using the double equal operator, it converts the data type to be the same data type. But if we use the correct operator, which is the triple equal operator, you will see that it does not convert the data type, thus it will give the correct answer, which is false. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more coding and programming tips? Check out our website, like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Check you there.